Pansol is the steel formwork product brand founded by Shandong Panshi Heavy Industry Machinery Co., Ltd. Pansol steel formwork adopts multi-layer and multi-pass intelligent welding technology with a 0.1 毫米 weld deviation control standard, forming on a form and dense deposited metal layer after ultrasonic testing. The pass rate of the weld seam reaches 99.9%, ensuring that the steel formwork maintains its weld strength at a high temperature of 50 摄氏度, avoiding thermal deformation, adapting to the challenges of day-night temperature difference in desert areas, and reducing comprehensive costs by reusing 300 times, helping photovoltaic power station port projects to be efficiently completed. Pansol steel formwork is committed to promoting the construction quality of Chinese transportation projects to the world.